Purpose of my program is for the sprite to name every single country in which you give the first letter. For example, if I put in the letter D, it will say the following countries. So my code works by using a list I created here to have an empty list in which it will be populated through a for loop by getting just the countries that start with that letter that you want. Um, Basically, it will search the first initial database, which has all of the countries. And then once you put in the letter, the for loop will go through the whole database. And if that's, it will get the first letter of every country and add that country to the initially empty list. And then that initially empty list will be said once it goes through the whole database and iterates through the for loop. Um, if I didn't use a list, like an empty one, I would pretty much be difficult to access just those countries that start with the letter you want because it just becomes easier if you have an empty list because you will just populate it with the actual countries that start with the letter that you want it to start with.